Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see everything about iOS 18 home screen customization. Things that you can do after iOS 18 comes officially to all the users, all the compatible iPhone users by the end of September. Right now, the developer beta is here only for developers and it has plenty of bugs. The reason why I'm not suggesting it to install it on your primary device. The very first feature is now you can freely move the icons anywhere on your screen according to the widgets that you use, or if you need any blank space or based on the wallpaper content, you can simply move the icons freely anywhere. And as you can see, some areas work and some icons again tries to rearrange just like what was happening up to iOS 17. And the second important feature on the home screen customization is you can straight away convert an app. If there is a widget support available, you can simply select the icons, the widget icons present on the pop-up menu. When you long press, you can access it. As you can see, the music app immediately changes to the small widget. You can choose large or extra large based on your needs. And you can change it again back to the app icon by simply long press and then tapping on the first option in the widget selection area where it makes it, again back to the icon. So based on that, you can rearrange the apps and icons on your home screen. And the next one is the widgets can be resized straight away on the home screen. You don't have to edit or you don't have to delete the existing widget and go back to the addition of new widget from the widget center. If you want to see more real-time data of a particular widget, this definitely will be an easier one. At the top left corner, previously we had add widget section alone. Now we have customize also. The add widget has the same collection of widgets based on the applications that you have installed. It'll show those widgets. And the customize brings a drawer at the bottom. You can see the dark mode and light mode is placed at the center, and the last one is tinted. When you tap on that, you will see the two color sliders where you can drag it to change the color of the icons in real time. On the second bar, you can adjust the color tint as well. And here the large and small option brings you, the icons will be changed with removing the label. The icons will get a little bit bigger so that you can have a better view on the icons. If you don't want the label or text below each and every app, the name of the app, then you can choose the large option. It could be a bit different for you. And the color sliders, the second one is for color intensity and the first one is for which color choice you like to have as a primary one. Based on the wallpaper you have, this will definitely be a useful one. Previously we were using shortcuts to change the icons color, and now we have the feature right now built inside the iOS 18. As you can see, it's plenty of bugs there. The icons color conversion didn't complete when we use the tinted option, and it takes time to load back after I change it back to the light or dark mode. And the official release of the iOS 18 is going to be end of September. And after doing this home screen customization, I felt quite a strong heat where the processor is located in the back of my iPhone. So do not install the beta on your primary device. Have a backup if you are planning to install it to prevent the data loss. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.